Today we're doing a spec shoot for Calvin Klein underwear with my good friend Jonathan Johnson from The Bachelorette. What are we doing right now?
Getting the one thing that we needed that we forgot.
What'd you forget?
What do you mean, what did I forget? Calvin Klein undies.
We gotta get the product.
Singular thing that we need.
I feel like white's the classic, no? Are we going briefs or are we going?
Hell no. Not briefs.
Those aren't bad. This has the line, it's medium.
By itself.
Yeah, let's do it. Mean upward. I see them. Yeah, regular whites. I don't think we need any external light for this. Yeah, this is cool.
That angle that he was at was crazy, right? Like,
yeah. I'll just take a few and then I'll show you. So this is kind of like the vibe so far.
It's a cool vibe. I feel like I need to be more like elongated. Thing was lower on his back.
It was lower on his back.
He was on like a this.
Yeah.
So he was able to like, you know what I mean?
We're doing set design real time right now.
I know.
These are the things you do when you see the light that you want. We adjust the furniture to make that happen.
That model and set designer all in one, baby.
Model, set designer, creative director. The light looks so much better too, bro. So right now we're starting with a 24mm 1.4 prime lens because I always like to start with a wider for the establishing, and then I have an 85 prime, but also generally a 24-70 lens can do all of this because you don't always have to shoot it wide open. Generally shooting fashion at like an f4 to like an f5.6 because you want more things in focus. I like when your head's up like that.
What, like this?
Yeah, because it looks more shaped.
We could also just get like me laying against.
I think that would be the move for that.
Like,
yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Dope. I'm gonna get like some more close-up type detail shots. Even I think with your hand there, it's cool. A little bit.
Hand in the pants?
Yeah, bro. For this is f1.4 because right now the focus is just the underwear branding.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
I like that.
I've become a huge fan of Flash recently, and I think for high fashion, a really nice job at helping you achieve that look. Calvin Klein is a very nostalgic type brand, and so not everything requires flash when it comes to fashion. I know a lot of people can get caught up if you like a certain look to only do that one look, but I think it's good to expand and try different types of styles because that's how we grow as creatives and just like figure out what it is that we like. Can I have you lay down one more time? I'm gonna try the Fuji because eventually I'm gonna be a Fuji X photographer. But genuinely, I would switch all to Fujifilm 23mm f2 lens. It's called the Fuji X100VI. There's different models of it, but this is like my everyday camera that I bring anywhere just to capture daily life. And it's cool because you can also use it as a professional setup because a lot of places don't allow you to take in cameras that you can take lenses off of. And so this is a cool solution. And go ahead. Fire. Yeah, these are fire.
That last one, I think it was that very first one I like. I'm kind of open.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, that one's
cool.
dope.
I'm gonna take some on the Fuji. See if I can incorporate blur at all.
Flash it up. So
Sure,
this
sure,
is all focused, but my hands are the blur.
Go ahead. Do it one more time and go ahead. Cool.
That one's sick.
That's
Wait,
it.
show Jay that one.
Oh, shit. That one's sick.
It's also gas.
That's insane.
So what I'm doing here is I'm at 50mm because it compresses it enough to where it kind of hides what is around him except for that foliage in the back, which is ideal when you're trying to play some magic with your surroundings. Also, in-between moments are great to capture because you never know. Sometimes that's the most authentic movement that you're gonna get.
Want to just do any like random fun ones?
Let's do it. What if you put cowboy boots on?
I have my cowboy boots. I mean, dude, fucking around is something I can do. Being serious when modeling, I'm bad at that.
I'm pretty confident that we've had.
We for sure.
I'm
only trying to get like 6 good selects. Now we get a couple fun ones. I'll throw 2 more in there.
Yeah. Hey. Yo, these are so sick. I want to do it again, but they're fun.
Ready?
Yep. This is where you spray and pray.
Hope for the best. Super fun.
I think pull-up bar would be funny.
That one's sick.
Cool, and look at me.
Dude, these are so sick.
Cool. And that's a wrap on the shoot. Quick recap, a fit in the living room where we utilized the couch and natural light from coming in from the windows. We went outside and put on a fit with a shirt and jeans. Went into just the briefs, got some hero shots with those. Just had some fun and did some editorial type vibes with high fashion slash just something that shows a little bit of Jonathan's personality. Closed out the shoot on some images that we're both very stoked on. And I've said this before, but I'll say it again. It's awesome just to create with your friends, and also Norbert behind the camera here. And it's fun because you all get to add in your own creative value and thoughts, create something that gets to live on in the world. Hope you have a nice day. You could have been doing anything, and you chose to spend a few minutes together with us, and I appreciate you.